Verasity has crossed the 2 cent mark. The all-time high in Verasity, if I go back and look in here, is 5 cents. I really believe this coin and this project have the potential to get into 20 cents in this bull run because it has some uniqueness about it. It is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. And I really like this project. I just want to share with you exactly what I'm doing as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. There was some positive news about Verasity, and one of the things is, one, they on shopping.io, so you can use your Verasity for Amazon, eBay, and soon to be AliExpress through shopping.io. Shiba, you can use your Shiba, your 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐞, and now your Verasity. So that's really good for Verasity holders. But this article here that really got my attention about the blockchain game versus traditional games. Now, here it says here, at Verasity, we're changing the game without changing the way games are played. Instead of building on the blockchain, we are leveraging blockchain technology to make existing gaming better through features such as watch and earn. See, it's all about watching and earn. So you can watch and earn, and the results of this approach speak for themselves. Esports Fight Club, one of the first Verasity power platform, recently partnered with Players Unknown. So that's really big though, because what about watch and earn? You can earn 25.5% APY on your investment into the Verasity Vision using a secure, one of the most secure wallets out there, the Cold Wallet. So that's something really good to say. And I scrolled down here on one of the Twitters. One person said we need more than 25%, and Verasity literally said, hey, most staking rewards are below 10% APY, which he's right, and they're offering 25.5%. So this place is really good. I've got an investment with this as well. I've got about, I don't know, I got 100,000 into Verasity, 100,000 coins into this. And so if I go look at my, Captain Inu, so Verasity here, if I go ahead and type in, I'll find out what I'm at right now. So I'll take this price here, copied it, and I need to update my portfolio if I can show you guys. We're at $2,332, and about a week ago, we were at 1930. You see that 1935? Now we at 2332. So that was the price a week ago, and now this is the price what it is now. So that's not bad at all. So I'm really excited about Verasity. Just want to share you the news with it. The all-time high is 5 cents. It's 5 cents, and they had, what was it, 5 cents? Let me go back one more time. 5 cents. All-time high. Show me. Yeah, 5 cents. You see that 5 cents right there? It's going to smash that. You know, it's really going to smash that. In my humble opinion, it's going to smash that all-time high because it does have some really good things with the technology, the esports, the earn, the watch, how you earn. I love that combination of it. And it's not too many projects like Verasity. There's a few of them out there, but Verasity, or is it Verasity? People say it's not called Verasity. Is it Verasity? I don't know. I keep calling it Verasity, but I probably need to know how and really say the name actually right. But I'm invested in this for quite some time. And one more thing I want to show you here is that here, the blockchain games versus traditional games, I think this is big that this VRA is doing right now. So that's all I got for you right now. If you want to buy VRA, you can get it on the link in the description. I have the link in the description. You can check it out yourself. I'll have the website. You can get it on Kucoin. I'll have that information as well. You can get it on Uniswap. Very simple and very easy. And let me show you how you can buy it on Uniswap. If I go to Uniswap right now and go to Uniswap, and I'll show you exactly how I got it. This is the way I got it. I'll be honest with you. How I got VRA is I swapped my Ethereum for it as well. You can get it on Kucoin. I do have the link in the description if you want it on Kucoin. So, but what I did here, I just went here, VRA. There it is. You see that? And I traded it for that. And that's exactly what I did. I basically added Ethereum, and then I swapped it for VRA. And that's how I end up getting it. So that's how I get it. And if I go back to my portfolio, this is how much I have right now. It's up to 2332. And let's look at the price now. Let's go look at the price. It is climbing up as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The market is still doing very well, and I do have some more videos coming out. to just definitely inspire you and motivate you and help you along the way. This is a good journey. Stay with you. Stay with me. And I'll see you on the next video.